Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your math teacher. Today I deliver a lecture from page number 11. Part B. Find the universal set of if A 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and set A complement is a set element of set 4, 5, 6, 7 and 12. Now find the universal set. A universal set containing all the elements under consideration is called universal set. So it is denoted by U. So U universal set is a 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12. Question number 3. If a set A, B, C, D, E and set B, B, E, G, L, K, then find the A difference B. A difference B. First, now we write the element of set A, B, C, D, then sign of difference, then B, E, G, L, K. The A difference B, A, C, D. These elements not exist in set B, A, C, D. Now we find the B difference A. First we write the element of set B, B, E, G, L, K. Now we write the sign of difference, then write the set of element of set A, B, C, D, E, then B difference A, G, L, K. These elements not exist in set A. If you have any problem in these questions, please inform us.